Hello children, welcome to Nelson School online education program Learn Better. So let us continue with the solution of the worksheets, oral worksheets for the chapter tenses. So today we'll be beginning with the tenses, the worksheet with the past perfect continuous tense. So now here, exercise, rewrite the following sentences in the past perfect continuous tense using the adverbial expressions that are given in the brackets. So in brackets, children, they have all given you only the adverbial expressions, but the verb that you are going to use it should always be in past perfect continuous tense. So let us begin. The surgeon was performing an operation. So very first we'll underline the verb, that is was performing. Now this verb you have to change it to the past perfect continuous tense. So it will be had been performing. Then you have to add the adverbial expression, that is for 2 hours. So it becomes the surgeon had been performing an operation for 2 hours. Number 2, I was trying to learn that poem. So it is was trying, this is the verb. Now this verb you change it to the past perfect continuous. So it will become I had been trying to learn. Now use the expression for more than 2 weeks. So it becomes I had been trying to learn that poem for more than 2 weeks. Number 3, wasn't he shrinking work? Now here the verb is was shrinking. Okay, now this only you have to change it to the past perfect continuous tense. So it becomes had been shrinking. Okay, but it is it carries a negation, so you will also use hadn't he been shrinking work. Now this expression you use ever since he joined the office. Next is I was thinking of getting rid of my servant. So here was thinking, this verb you change to had been getting, okay, or thinking. So here they have told you to use the adverbial expression already that I cannot use at the last. So usually it is used after had, has or have. So I'll be using I had already been thinking of getting rid of my servant. Number 5, the milkman was knocking at my neighbor's door. So it is was knocking. So here the verb you change it to the past perfect continuous tense, that is had been knocking. Okay, and use the verb expression for some time. So it is the milkman had been knocking at my neighbor's door for some time. Now next is fill in the blanks with either since or for. Now this also I have taught you already that since is usually the expression that is used, or a word that is used to show from the beginning, the beginning time when the action began. Okay, the commencement time of the action. Or for is used to show the duration. Okay, when I exactly give you some time that it's for 2 hours, so that time I'll be using for 2 hours, but I'm not specifying it clearly, so I'll be using since. Okay, so it is she has not met me dash ages. So it is she has not met me for ages. Now here she has not met me dash Monday. So it's showing that from beginning of this week. Okay, so it becomes she has not met me since Monday. I have been doing almost the same work almost a year. So here duration is given full year. So it's for a year. Okay. She has not eaten anything 8 in the morning. So it's giving the beginning time that since 8 o'clock she didn't eat anything. Number 5, I have been living here dash my childhood. So again they have given you that it's beginning time, that since you were a child you were living over there. So it is since my childhood. Thank you. It's just meant for the oral practice. No need to write it in the worksheet book.